Connect the power cord to the NL terminal of the switching power supply. Prepare a 2-core power cord. Connect both ends of the red core wire to the V terminal and the 12 VIN terminal of the integrator respectively. Connect both ends of the blue core wire to the V terminal and the GND terminal of the integrator respectively. Vortex flow meter and integrator wiring. Vortex flow meter head sensor wiring. Connect the Vortex Street 24V to the 24V terminal of the integrator, and connect the Vortex H to the H1 terminal of the integrator. Platinum resistance PT100 and integration instrument wiring. Connect the PT of the platinum resistor to the PT1 terminal of the integrator. The platinum resistor PT is connected to the terminal of the integrator PT1. Platinum resistor GND is connected to the GND terminal of the integrator. Power on only after confirming that there are no errors.